Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be reviewing Dell S2725QS, a 27-inch 4K monitor with a 120Hz refresh rate, AMD FreeSync, premium IPS panel, and sleek ash-white design. Out of the box, setup is tool-free, and the picture crisp and color accurate even before calibration. It is excellent for productivity, photo editing, and even gaming with smooth motion, fast response time, and minimal screening time, but it is not perfect. The 120 Hz refresh rate depends on your system setup. SDR support is basic, and while the built-in speakers are better than older Dell's model, they are still not great for serious audio. So is it worth it? If you would need high refresh 4K for creative work and gaming, it is a strong pick. But if you are on budget or don't care about 120 Hz, cheaper 4K monitor like the Dell S2721QS might suit you better. Final verdict. It is a great hybrid monitor with premium look, solid performance, and a few trade-offs. If you find this video helpful, so please like this video and also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.